You think popcorn? Oh, I think. Hi, Thumbs. You think, Birdie? You gotta clean your... Attack the... Attack. Hi. You're weird. Okay, bird. This guy, birdie. This little birdie. You have the most fun in the sun, aren't you there, Popcorn? Ew, you're a gross bird. What are you doing, you silly birdie? Yeah, Dippery bird. Petey bird, Popcorn. I wonder what you would do if I put one of those cat toys in there. Would you actually play with it? Oh, can you not get to your bell? Is that what your problem is? Oh, can you not get to your bell because it was stuck? There you go. There you go. Gotta fix it. Did I get it? Yeah. There you go. Yeah. There you go. I fixed it. You are a silly birdie. Yeah. Sky bird. You did, baby birdie. Hi, dear. Hi, Sky. Yeah. Come on. Hi, dear. No. Yeah.